then I don't stand a chance. Just keep me coming back. When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance. Don't stand
Alright guys, I will be covering the hair and leave it for 1 hour before I go ahead to use a mild shampoo to wash it off. After then, you go ahead to put your hair cream and all that, making sure that your hair is moist. Okay, so if you like this video, do give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all, and I don't take your support for granted. God bless you all. You know what, I will catch you up again in our next video. Bye bye for now.